Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to use your one mouse on your multiple devices on Windows 11. So for this guys, you need to have one simple application, simple tool on your Windows 11 called Microsoft PowerToys. If you don't have, go to the Microsoft store and install it on your both Windows 11. Okay. After installing, I have already installed that tool in my PC. After installing, just open the PowerToys on your PC like this. After opening guys, in the left panel, scroll down. Here you can get the option from the left panel, mouse without borders. Just click on it. Okay, like this, and then here you need to enable this. Just you need to enable this option, enable mouse without borders, like this. And here you can get the option security key. Just you need to click on new security key like this. It will show you some code. As you can see guys, just you need to select that code and copy it. Okay, and here you need to copy as well as host name of this device. Here you can get the option copy to clipboard. Just click on it, it will copy, and then you need to share this host name and security key with your other PC. Okay, and on your other PC you need to open same app, Microsoft PowerToys, and go to mouse without border, and here you need to extend the security key option like this, and here you need to paste that security key in this box, and as well as you need to paste the device name, means host name, like this, and then click on connect. So remember one more thing guys, your both PC is connected with the same Wi-Fi network. At that time you can use this feature. Just click on connect. Now you are good to go. You can use your one mouse with the multiple Windows 11 PC using the Microsoft PowerToys. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.